Firstly, through mindfulness, we do not lose sight of what should be adopted or abandoned. Then secondly, because we are checking the status of our body, speech, and mind with vigilance, we recognize any occasions when we are tempted to avoid something virtuous or to do something negative. At that time, because of our conscientiousness, we recall the benefits of virtuous actions and undertake them, or remember the faults of negative conduct and unwholesome actions and avoid them. Since the underlying cause for all of this is a confident trust in the effects of karma, we should follow the authoritative statements of the victorious Buddhas and develop trust. We must generate a heartfelt conviction about the sufferings of samsara by considering that if we act negatively, this will certainly lead us to states of misery. And once we are reborn in these unfortunate states, we will face such suffering that not only will we fail to accomplish the benefit of others, we will not even secure our own well-being.